You know that email thread that has 53 replies and 3 people changed their mind, a few people on vacation, and nobody knows what has been decided? I'm going to fix that problem for you in a few seconds. We're going to ensure that we select that email thread. In this case, I have an email thread about issues with Copilot. It's somebody complaining about the issues they have in Copilot. I've given them a solution, but they actually still want to meet on Monday. But I'm going to go ahead and click over here on the Copilot icon in the top right corner. And inside of that Copilot mini chat here, I'm going to be able to ensure that it's in the work tab and paste this prompt. The prompt is going to say, summarize this entire email thread, identify all decisions that have been made, list any questions that are still unresolved, and create a clear action plan showing who is responsible for what and what next steps need to be. I'm going to go ahead and send that. So my Copilot 2 is going to look at the email thread, analyze it, and give me a clear communication next step here that I'll be able to kind of go ahead and leverage in making a decision on what was actually decided in the email. Executive summary, a reported issue with Copilot Excel, written troubleshooting response, key points by message flow, initial issue raised. All right, troubleshooting. At the bottom here, decisions made. I can actually see over here, it says the decisions made was moved from email troubleshooting to a live meeting. Wow, that was actually great. That was exactly the decision. Open questions and an action plan. So this great summary allows me now to be able to kind of put together an email that showcases to my team exactly what needs to be done based on the email responses. So we're all clear and synergize on the decisions that need to be done.